What's going on YouTube? This is JabberTech, and today we're taking a look at two case offerings for your LG G8 ThinQ from Ringke. These ones are both the Fusion and the Fusion X case. Let's go ahead, check them out together, and see what they're all about. Starting with the Ringke Fusion case, this is a see-through case, a clear case, guys, but you do have the military drop protection here, so this will give you some good amount of protection, and it is a nice eco package. I kind of like this. We don't need a ton of packaging on these cases, guys, but opening it up, there's a bunch of promotional material in here, and one thing that's pretty cool, if you do want this dual easy screen protector, and let me tell you, this screen protector was the easiest install I've ever done. Check out this video here, or check the link down below, but seriously guys, this installation was stupid easy, like really stupidly easy. You get a little thank you card right on the inside here, and then you get some more of their promotional materials on the inside. But this is the case, guys. This is the Fusion case, the smoke case, and it is a nice clear see-through type of case. Now there is some scratch resistant kind of plastics on here that always give me some sort of struggle. Well, let's see if we can do this without any issue. Actually, it wasn't that bad. Let's try the inside. All right, I kind of had to get it started from behind the camera a little bit, and it's probably not the best way, but just pick from one of these edges here and it should come off pretty easily, guys. Installation, let me dust off the G8 first. Make it look a little bit cleaner, make this thing look really smooth and really shine inside this case. That's why you're buying these clear cases, guys. You want that shine to, well, shine through. Let's put this in just like so. So this is it. You can tell the front protection is really pretty good, guys, for this slim style kind of design. And just taking a look at the sides of the case, you have a little rigid button for the Google Assistant key. I like that. Makes it pretty easy to find when you're just pulling it out of your pocket. Looking at the back of the case, definitely a nice see-through case here. You can see that the shine just comes right through. Camera protection. You got a pretty good amount of camera protection here, and I like the way the fingerprint scanner slopes. This is the ski slope design that I call it. Just makes it super easy to reach that fingerprint scanner when you're pulling it out of your pocket. Cutouts are all perfect, as you'd expect from Ringke. Just take a look at that, and a little oversized so you can plug in some third-party cables if you have to. The buttons feel really responsive. No issues with these buttons at all. Of course, wireless charging is going to work with this case. No issues with wireless charging. This is what it's all about, is the shine. And you're getting a nice see-through case with a little smoked actions on the bottom and the sides. So just kind of make it stand out a little bit more than just a regular 100% see-through clear case. I like this one. Next, let's take a look at the next one we have here. And this one is the Fusion X case. And it's a little bit different than the original one. This is, well, a little bit more rugged in my opinion, at least in styling. They both offer the same great protection on both of these cases. Well, this one has a little bit different styling, guys. It could be a little bit more rugged, offer you just a little bit more protection, because as you can see, it's kind of raised on the back here. So this will help with a little bit more of that drop protection if you need to. Just taking a look at both of these cases together, guys, you can see that styling is just a little bit different. One's a little bit more refined, and one's a little bit more rugged. Just depends on what you need from a case and what your styling preference is. Now let's get this off again. Kind of just find the corner. Installation, of course, super simple, guys. And just taking a look at the front of the case, you're getting a nice amount of front lip protection. If you want to plug in a lanyard cable, you have the option to do so there. Again, you have a nice rigid style Google Assistant key there. Makes it very easy to find. The buttons, very easy to press as well, and they are raised. No issues with that at all. Your cutouts are all perfect. This is what Ringke's known for. Just take a look for your third-party cables. No issues there. Right on the side is a little company branding, Fusion X, and it's just an overall nicely designed case, guys. The back, camera protection, superb camera protection with the ski slope fingerprint scanner. So it's a really nice looking case, guys. A little bit different from the regular Fusion. This is a little bit more refined. This is definitely more rugged. with these raised edges and raised sides. Just gives you a little bit different styling, as well as a little bit more ruggedness in case you do drop your phone, if you're a little more tough with your phones. That's basically it. But let me know what you guys think about these two cases from Ringke. This is the Fusion series. I think they're pretty cool, guys. A nice, affordable, slim, form-fitting case. See-through case for those of you that want to see the beauty of your phone. I really appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.